Madam. I'm Aida Tulawan Ramirez, Filipino, 26 years old, married, have 2 kids. My husband work is farmer. I have 1 brother, and I'm the eldest of the family. I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Aida. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The characteristic of the good domestic helper, madam, is patient, kind, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Okay, since you're first timer, how will you avoid homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will make busy for my work.
So can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, I give food for the right time. I give medicine, vitamin if necessary, and I'll take care with them as my own child.
What if you committed a mistake? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I apologize to her and say sorry and not to do it again.
So what is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please to hire me because I need this job for my family financial. Promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Aida, and good luck.
Thank you, sir, madam.